Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about brows. I'm going to be doing my brows the way that I used to do it, and I'm going to show you the way I like to do them now. My last brow video is from, I think, 2016, 2017, 2018. I just named like 3 different years. Well, I mean, I'll find out because I'm going to be watching that video today. But in that video, I did like a talk through in depth of how I like to do my brows then. And I don't do my brows like that now. I have zero idea when I made this switch on how I did my brows. I used to use like a Sephora Brow Pencil to fill in my brows, then use concealer. And then there was a transition phase where I used like 2 different Benefit brow products. And then after that, my current go-to is this Nyx Can't Stop Won't Stop brow product, and like I have no idea when I made it to this point. I'm gonna show you how I do my brows now, just so that you can like compare, just so I can like see what the vibes are, especially since I don't post as often, so my current routine is not something that you guys see. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my brows. We're gonna call this video like then versus now. So now I'm gonna show you now, and then I'm gonna show you then. And then I'll like, ooh, I can do like a side-by-side cut of like my brows at the end when I'm done, right? Yeah, let's go for it. I'm gonna show you how I do my brows now. Here we go. Okay, so now we are super duper closed up on my face. I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop brow product. It comes with this comb/brush attachment at the top, which is really easy to use, but I don't know when mama dropped it and broke it. So, oh, hold up. But should I, is it, how did I fix that? Okay, see, it is actually broken. Okay, good. So, glad I got this on video. So I broke the top part. So what I've been doing recently is using a spoolie that is attached to, you know, one of these brushes right here. So I'm going to be using this. So this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Longwear Brow Kit is kind of like, it acts like a liquid eyeliner in a way. It's got like this brush. I'm going to maybe like draw on the back of my hand so you could see, like it literally just like paints, and I love that. I watched an old video of myself and I said that my left brow was my favorite. I don't know what universe that was. I don't know what timeline, pre-2020 timeline that was, but these days this one, my right eye brow, is my favorite brow. So I'm gonna take this, and I usually keep the lid on because it helps you to hold on to the applicator attachment. So I usually start off at the end. Well, the middle, actually. And I make sure I get the end of my brow kind of like painted on, as you can see. The product comes with the brush because as soon as you apply it, you're supposed to like, or at least how I like to do it, I take like the spoolie attachment or brush attachment of some sort and go back and forth so that the product works itself into the actual existing hairs. And before it dries, I just kind of wipe off, you know, anything before it like dries down. And I guess to clarify, I think I somehow got into having a thicker, fuller / more filled in brow, which is why I moved on to this. It's almost like a tattooed dark brow. And I don't go too far up. I just stop kind of right here. Just kind of brush it back and forth. Just let a little bit of it touch the front hairs. Boom. Currently, this is the way I do my brows, and I will just apply this product and I won't use any concealer to clean it up because the brow already looks filled in and everything looks great. So I'm going to try the other side.
A few moments later.
And this is how I do my brows currently. So literally with this product, I don't clean up my brows with concealer or anything. I would just move immediately to putting on primer, doing my eyeshadow, putting on foundation, you know, the whole shebang, and just beat the rest of my face. And this is what we're working with. Definitely thicker on my face and just super dark. This is literally in the shade black, like not even like an off black, not even a gray. I'm serving black, dark brows. All right, so now I'm going to clean off these brows and come back and watch an old tutorial of how I used to do my brows and try to do my brows that way. I'm really excited. We transition. Now that's a transition. Now I'm watching an old video of myself doing my brows the way I used to do it in like 2016. Oh my goodness, wow. I was kind of right when I was saying like 2017, right? I think I did mention 2016 though. Roll back the tape. My last brow video is from I think 2016, 2017. I was right. So I'm using the Sephora waterproof brow pencil in the color number 6, soft charcoal in the old video. And in my current video, I'm using the same eyebrow pencil from Sephora, but this is number 9 called dark charcoal. I'm going to show you how I used to do my brows by following my video that's called Eyebrow Tutorial, a Talk Through. And action.
So I take this pencil.
Okay.
And I just kind of start drawing. I kind of follow where my brow ends, and I kind of continue to add a line.
Okay.
And then this area where it's kind of sparse, I just take this pen.
I guess my brows are still the same.
I start to just do small strokes and go upwards and into it. Kind of go in here and just lightly go in upwards motion with the hair. Right now, you can already see a huge difference between both of my brows. This one looks thicker and it has more of a shape.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Let me see. Is there a difference? Did I do great?
After I have basically traced in my eyebrow and given it the overall shape that I would like to have, but I have 2 of these Nars concealers. And
okay, so in that video, I'm using the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer, I think in the color Dark 2 Cacao or something like that. As time went on, I got into the Black Up concealer. It's a concealer stick, or it's a contour stick. So the one side has, you know, a dark contour color. And then there's this light side, which is for highlighting. And so I like to use this highlighting side instead of using a liquid concealer sometimes. So I'm going to follow those instructions using this one. Okay, here I go.
And start to follow my eyebrow. I kind of lift my eyebrow up like I'm like, oh, surprise!
So apply it. I lift my eyebrow.
I usually start from the back of my eyebrow. And I go outward with it. Because you don't want to go downward. You don't want your eyebrow to look like it's drooping. You want to keep it just kind of going outward on your face. So it kind of frames your eye here.
And what I'm doing also, as I go this way, I'm dragging the brush down so that I don't get concealer in my eyebrow hairs. Just kind of getting it down here.
Swooping it so it doesn't look like I really tried to make a line. So it just looks like, oh, I woke up and I had a perfect eyebrow. Hopefully you still have some concealer on the back of your hand. I'll take a little bit more, like a dab of it.
Okay.
On my brush. And like so, I will continue to put concealer on my brow. This time we're going to be framing the top part of the eyebrow.
Okay, so I apply it up here. Okay. And I follow down. Okay, that is definitely sped up because
and I'm going to take this brush and just kind of brush my hairs again.
Does this look good? It looks a little squarical towards the front, but okay. I have followed my tutorial and I have done a brow. Let's see what else I do. Do I do the other one on camera?
That's just the way my eyebrows are. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins.
Exactly what teacher said. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So this is the part where I'm taking this again and I'm going to follow the instructions. Here we go. Ooh, so in the video, I said that my brows are sisters, not twins. I don't know, guys. I'm seeing a little twin magic here, a little sister, if you will. And now I'm done. Yes,
And
transitions.
this is it. This is how I do my eyebrows before every video. So
okay, we're gonna stop her there. Thank you, teacher. So this is them cleaned up just a little bit more, and this is how I used to do my brows. I really like this. They are thinner. They are still dark. Well, probably because I'm using a darker brow pencil than I used to before, but they're still dark. And I'm kind of loving the way they frame my eyes, the way they frame my face. This is a vibe. I'm like the power this holds. So maybe I'll sit still and give you like a juxtaposition between the NYX product versus the Sephora product, the new way versus the old way. I like it. Should I go back to doing my brows like this? Let me know in the comments if you like the new way I do my brows or if you like the old method that I used to do. Just let me know. Okay, and we're back. Well, I said that because I just switched lenses. So that was kind of fun. What a random video topic or video style to do. But I was just really interested in practicing or seeing the way in which my brow routine has changed over the years. So thanks for coming along with me on this experiment. It's so fun filming random little experiments. Like my last video was me just trying a bunch of different sunscreens and I thought, I'll film it. Maybe people will like it. And then boom, a lot of people liked it. So thank you guys so much for watching that video. And thank you so much for watching this video. I think I'm going to alternate between the two methods and just live my best brow life inside my house. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for many more videos like this. Thanks for watching.